Hello, my Mahjong friends. Welcome to the Mah Jongg Class Clinic. In this clinic, I'm here to help you improve your Mahjong game. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or a maven, you'll want to know all about building the hands. Since we just received the 2026 card, I'm going to go through each of the hands. In this video, we'll be going over the Quints category. Be sure to learn the categories first, the headings, and what you need to collect. Look in the description below as I can teach you what to collect for each category. We're going to build the hands category by category, line by line, and we'll go over in detail how to build the hands by using the parentheses to help us along the way and understand the hands. Make sure you watch all 9 videos on how to build the hands. Before we get started, please support the Mah Jongg Class Channel by hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button for the content you enjoy, share the video with fellow Mahjong friends and family, comment, I love engaging with you, ask questions, consider giving a thanks of appreciation for my knowledge, my time. I appreciate it. And also email me at mahjongclass@yahoo.com if you have any questions you'd like to share. It means the world to me that you show up each week and watch these videos. I appreciate all your love and support of the Mah Jongg Class Channel. By helping to support the channel, it helps it grow and shows us to create more tutorials and education for free on Mah Jongg Class Channel. Thank you again. We've been lucky enough to be given some discount codes, Mah Class 10 for Oh My Mahjong and Maj Co. Please support the Mah Jongg Class Channel by using the discount code Mah Class 10 to get 10% off your order. In addition, My Fair Mahjong, Charleston Mahjong Club, and Hip Hip Mahjong and Bespoke Mahjong, you can also use the discount code Mahj Class at 10% off. Support the channel by using Mahj Class to get 10% off your order when you shop at My Fair Mahjong, Hip Hip Mahjong, or Charleston Mahjong Club and Bespoke Mahjong. Thank you for using the code and supporting Mah Jongg Class. You can also consider becoming a channel member by making a small monetary donation by clicking join on the home page. There are 3 levels to choose from, and you can pick the one that best fits you. Thank you again for all those who are supporters of the Mah Jongg Class Channel that have chosen to become channel members. Thank you. Although the content is free, it is supportive to become a channel member. Thank you. I always play on ilovemahj, and this is where I'll be building the hands. So please consider joining ilovemahj and using the code CB. You get a 3-week trial, so why not go there and build the hands? It's a great way to improve your game and to get better with skills by playing on ilovemahj. I've been a member since 2021 when they first opened up the site. I enjoy playing on the platform. It's a great way to improve your game and to learn the new 2026 Mahjong card. Use the code CB to get your 3-week trial. Now let's go on and play on ilovemahj and build the hands in the exercise room. On the main page on ilovemahj, to build the hands, we're going to go to play, exercise room. We're building the hands, we're making the hands. You can do it sequential order, which would be category by category, line by line, or you can do random order once you complete it. So let's launch our exercise. And you could start with the 2026. Make sure you change your card and you put in the 2026 card. You can also change your section. And you can pick what section you want to start with first. Today, we're doing quints. In your top right corner, you can exit, as well as keep score of how many you get right when building the hands. How exciting for the quint section this year. We are building this section line by line, and let's start with line number 1. In the quint section, for all the hands, you need a minimum of 2 jokers to make any hand in the quint section. Now, I would suggest having more than 2 jokers, but sometimes that gets confusing, but you have to have a minimum of 2. Line number 1, look at how many colors it is. It's 3 colors equals 3 suits. This is super size like numbers hand. you have to have 5 of a number. It's all the same number in all 3 suits. You need a quint, which is 5, and a Kong of the number, and a quint. Let's build this hand. We can start with any number we like. Let's do the number 3. And we'll start with cracks. We need 5 3 cracks. Oh geez, there's only 4. You must use a joker. You could use up to 5 jokers, but we have to have a minimum of 1. We only have 4 of the number. Since we chose the number 3, we have to carry the number 3 throughout the whole line. The next grouping is a Kong, just 4, of the number 3. Then we need a Kong of the next suit that we didn't use. The unused suit is dots, and we need quint. We only have 4 that we can use. We have to use 1 joker. So there's your minimum of 2 jokers. However, in this, we could use up to 5 jokers if we chose. And you need to validate. This can be made any number from 1 through 9. We chose the number 3, and it has to be 3s all the way through. If you use the number 1, it has to be 1s all the way through. The number 5, it would be 5s all the way through. Let's validate. Let's move on to line number 2. By quickly looking at line number 2, you've already noticed it's 1 color, so it's 1 suit. This again is like supersizing a consecutive run hand. 3 consecutive numbers having 2 quints with a pair in the middle. And 2 flowers, so 2 pairs. Secure those pairs before you start calling for those quints, because once you call for quints, you're kind of stuck in it. Let's build this hand. You need 2 flowers, no jokers. And it's consecutive. It says from the numbers 1, 2, 3. You read the parentheses. It says any 3 consecutive numbers. So let's build this hand with 3, 4, 5. You need a quint. Again, we only have 4. We need a joker, so a minimum of 1 joker. It's consecutive, so the next number would be 4, and we have to use the dot suit because that's what we chose. A pair of 4s. Then we need the next consecutive number, which is 5, and we need a quint. So we need 5 5s. Oh geez, we only have 4. We have to add that joker. This hand you will validate. You cannot use jokers in the flowers nor in the pair of 4s. And let's validate. We're going to try this hand again with different numbers and a different suit. 2 flowers. I'm going to start it with the number 2, a quint. Add that joker. The next consecutive number is number 3. You have to stay with the crack suit because that's what we chose. A pair. The next consecutive number is 4, but we need a quint. This is a lot for your brain, so practice this many times so that you can start recognizing it doesn't have to be just 1, 2, 3. You can have 2, 3, 4, and then you have to figure out how many of each. Add the joker for the quint or more. If you didn't have enough of the 1 number, you could have had more jokers. Click validate and move on to the next hand. This hand is, you can use 1 suit with any 2 numbers of that suit and then any dragon of an opposite unused suit. This is a supersize. By using a quint, you have to have 2 jokers at a minimum. It's any 2 numbers in a quint in 1 suit. It could be consecutive. It doesn't have to be. You can use, 1 and 9. And then you're going to use unused suit, any of the 2 dragons left in a Kong. Let's build it. I'm going to use the number 5, a quint. Add a joker. Then I'm going to use the number 9, a quint. In the same suit, because it's the same color, we only have a Kong here, I need to add a joker. And finally, I need to add a Kong of dragons. It cannot be the red dragon because that's matching. This is in two different suits, so I must either use the green or the white. Let's use the white. A Kong. Validate. Let's try this again. I'm going to use the numbers 2. I need a quint, add a joker. And then I'll use the number 9. That's unusual. Add a joker, meaning typically you don't have hands with 2s and 9s. Then I must choose the dragon. I can't use the white because that goes with the dots. It's two suits, two different colors. I'll use the green. And I need a Kong. You can use jokers anywhere in here. You can use up to 4 jokers for this Kong, up to 5 jokers for the quints. We've just completed the quint hand. Please give that a try. Don't not say you don't want to play quint. They're pretty easy this year to play. Give it a try. You'll surprise yourself and impress the table. I hope you're enjoying building the hands line by line, category by category, which is helping you understand how to do so. Come back often and refer to each of the videos on each of the categories so that you can learn how to build the hands. If you don't have a set that you can put out and play, join ilovemahj and use the code CB and you can build the hand in their exercise room. Thank you for joining me and watch the next video on our next category. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.